How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can lubricate the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. So in order to do this, it's going to be extremely simple. Mainly the main component that we are trying to lubricate is going to be the Y-axis. So first things first, we need the recommended lubricant oil. So from here, basically we have the Bambu Lab lubricant oil, or we have this one. You could just choose either which model, but make sure that you're using a proper lubricant oil. Or if you can't use this products right here, you can also get yourself the original authentic WD-40. So right after, the first thing that we want to do is to make sure that the lubricant oil is included, or I mean, just to grab yourself the lubricant oil. If you have purchased yourself a new A1 Mini, the lubricant oil will then be provided on the accessory box itself. Now, before you do that, you want to raise the tool head to prevent it from scraping against the head bed before the lubricate action. You could just press on the up arrow on the A1 Mini itself. Now, right after raising it, basically, once again, this can avoid small fibers on the guardrails, and we can use a non-woven cloth for lubrication. Now, before lubricating, we want to use once again the non-woven cloth to clean off some dust on the guardrails, which is going to be this one. And after wiping off the dust, you want to spray WD-40 onto the another clean non-woven, and then you want to gently apply it to the Y-axis guardrail using the cloth with WD-40 multi-purpose use products. So you generally want to avoid spraying directly onto the guardrails itself. You want to spray it onto a non-woven cloth, and then you want to simply apply it gently on the guardrail, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.